After 40, strength doesn't disappear. It leaks. Slowly. Quietly. Almost politely. You don't notice it in the mirror first. You notice it in real life. Carrying groceries feels heavier than it used to. Your grip gives out before your lungs do. You avoid lifting awkward objects. Your posture collapses the moment you get tired. Your lower back tightens from something as simple as picking up a suitcase. And most men accept that as normal. It's not normal. It's not just aging. It's strength leaking because your body stopped being asked to be strong. Modern life removed the demand. You sit more, you stabilize less, you brace less, you carry almost nothing heavy for any meaningful distance. And when the body isn't required to stay strong under load, it adapts. It gets weaker. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. If I had to choose one category of training that protects a man's body the fastest, not for looks, not for social media, not for mirror muscles, but for real life, I'd choose loaded carries. Not curls. Not machines. Not complicated programs. Loaded carries. Because loaded carries force your body to do what modern life stopped demanding. Stand tall under load. Brace your core automatically. Grip hard. Walk stable. Breathe under pressure. Control your shoulders. Own your posture. It's strength insurance. It's structural integrity training. It's the difference between looking strong and being unbreakable. But there's a catch. Most people turn carries into a sloppy shrug and waddle. They grab something heavy. They lean back. They hike their shoulders to their ears. They rush the steps. They hold their breath. And then they wonder why their neck hurts and their lower back feels cooked. If you do it that way, you miss the benefit that matters most. So today, I'm giving you a simple 28-day carry plan. No gym tricks. No fancy equipment. No 90-minute sessions. And I'm giving you the one rule that makes it work. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do 4 days a week, what weight to use, how to progress safely, and how to build the kind of strength that shows up in everyday life. Let's build a body that feels capable again. The one rule that makes carries work. Here's the rule. Your posture is the workout, not the weight, not the distance, not the burn. Carries work because they teach your body to stay stacked under load. Ribs down, core tight, glutes lightly engaged, shoulders down and back, neck tall, eyes forward, steps controlled. You're not just holding weight, you're organizing your body under stress. If your shoulders rise toward your ears, if your ribs flare up, if your lower back arches, if your steps turn into a wobble, you're not building armor. You're rehearsing dysfunction. So every carry in this program has one goal. Move like a strong man, even when you're tired. Especially when you're tired. Because that's when life usually tests you. Your 28-day structure. You train 4 days a week. That's it. No marathon workouts. No complex splits. Day 1. Farmer carry, both hands. Day 2. Suitcase carry, one hand. Rest. Day 3. Farmer carry plus short finisher. Day 4. Overhead carry, light, plus farmer carry. Rest. Repeat this weekly for 4 weeks. You can use dumbbells, kettlebells, trap bar, heavy grocery bags, or sandbags. This is not about equipment. It's about tension and control. Picking the right weight, no ego. This is where most men mess up. They pick a weight to impress themselves. That's not the goal. Here's how you choose your starting weight. Pick something you can carry for 30 seconds with perfect posture. But at second 25, you're thinking, yeah, I'm ready to put this down. If you can go 60 seconds easily, it's too light. If your posture breaks at 10 seconds, it's too heavy. You should finish each set feeling challenged, not wrecked. We're building armor, not chasing pain. Week 1, the wake-up week. Week 1 is humbling. Your grip will complain first. That's good. Grip strength is the gateway to full body strength. When your grip improves, everything improves. Deadlifts feel stronger. Rows feel tighter. Your shoulders stabilize better. Your nervous system turns on faster. Weak grip equals weak signal. We're fixing that. Workout A. Day 1. Farmer carry. 4 rounds, 30 seconds carry, 60 to 90 seconds rest. Focus on posture. Smooth breathing. No shrugging. Think tall and tight. Workout B. Day 2. Suitcase carry. This is where your core wakes up. One hand carries expose weakness instantly. 3 rounds per side, 20 to 30 seconds each side, 60 seconds rest. Do not lean. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your head. If you tilt, you fail the rep. Workout C. Day 3. Farmer carry plus finisher. 3 rounds farmer carry, 30 seconds. Then, 2 rounds, 10 slow bodyweight squats, 20-second plank. This isn't cardio. It's fatigue stability training. You're teaching your body to maintain structure when tired. Workout D. Day 4. Overhead carry, light, plus farmer carry. Overhead carry is about shoulder discipline. 2 rounds overhead carry, 15 to 20 seconds per side, lightweight. Then, 3 rounds farmer carry, 30 seconds. Week 1 result. You'll stand taller without thinking. Your shoulders sit better. Your walk feels more controlled. Your core turns on automatically when you pick something up. The system is rebooting. Week 2. The stability week. We progress one variable only, time. Carries go from 30 seconds to 40 seconds. Everything else stays the same. Same posture rule. Same discipline. Here's what happens in week 2. Your brace becomes reflexive, not crunch strength. Brace strength. The kind that protects your spine when you lift a box wrong. The kind that prevents tweaks. The kind that makes your back feel supported instead of fragile. Your nervous system starts trusting your body again. Week 3. The power posture week. Now we add one twist, because life doesn't happen in straight lines. On day 1 and day 3, 40-second farmer carry. At 20 seconds, turn around smoothly. No wobble, no rushing, no leaning. Turning under load teaches deceleration and control. That's real-world strength. If you can't turn cleanly, the weight is too heavy. This is where you start moving differently, more stable, more confident, less tight, less hesitant. You don't just feel stronger, you look composed. Week 4, the proof week. Now we test the rebuild. Day 1 and day 3. 4 rounds, 45 seconds farmer carry, 75 to 90 seconds rest. Day 2 suitcase carries, 3 rounds per side, 35 seconds. Day 4 overhead, 3 rounds per side, 20 seconds overhead carry. Then, farmer carries 30 to 40 seconds. This week isn't about surviving. It's about demonstrating control. By now, your grip lasts longer. Your steps are cleaner. Your breathing stays calmer. Your posture doesn't collapse under fatigue. At the end of week 4, something changes. You don't just get stronger. You feel harder to break. And that confidence bleeds into everything. The mistakes that ruin carries. Quick checklist. If you do these, you're wasting the exercise. Shrugging the weight up, leaning or twisting, walking too fast, shuffling your feet, holding your breath the entire set, going too heavy too soon, letting your ribs flare, letting your lower back arch. Carries are simple. But simple does not mean sloppy. Precision builds durability. Why this works after 40? Because your body doesn't need more chaos. It needs coordination under load. Carries rebuild. Grip integrity, core reflexes, shoulder stability, hip control, postural endurance, mental resilience. They teach your body to organize itself under stress. And that's what aging really challenges. Not your muscles, your ability to stabilize under load. If you're over 40, this is your reminder. Strength leaks unless you train it on purpose. And loaded carries are one of the fastest ways to stop that leak. No hacks, no gimmicks, no fancy machines. Just you, weight, posture, control. If you're doing the 28-day carry challenge, comment carry so I know you're in. And subscribe if you want training that protects your strength, not training that just looks cool online. Also, if you want my simple body reset plan, it's in the pinned comment. Let's build a body that doesn't just look strong, but holds up when life gets heavy. Let's get to work.